Driverback. I was gonna do it, haven't done it in a while, but there you go. I'm gonna show you my little driveback setup. Not gonna pretend I'm doing anything. I'm just gonna do a little demonstration where this thing comes in handy. Got my bit mag, driverback, the new Malco. So, one problem I came up with on the Bosch Freak. It's not a very popular one. I don't know if how many people have a Driverback and a Bosch Freak. What I noticed, and I went over this with them at Driverback already, when you insert your bit into your Bosch, it's not going to lock. It doesn't go deep enough. So, what I figured out, these things are great. Switch out your bits very easily. This is their split collar. It comes on a lot of the heavier bits. Combine that with a vessel bit ball torque 2-inch long vessel right there on that upper section. Fits perfect. It's a little bit loose. It's alright though. Hasn't been using it, hasn't come out at all. Just reinsert that. In there, boom. Now it'll go all the way into the lock. Proper. So it's a 225. Got my Malco. Got my Phillips too. And then another one that I have on here is another split collar one with a Bosch extension. Fits in there nice. Got my T30 in there. Big old GRK screw with a T30. No problem. This allows me to take that out, put a 40 in there if I need anything quick. So, fits in there nice. Over to the Malco. Now the Malco doesn't lock in there. Usually not doing anything heavy duty with the Malco anyway. It's going to be sheet metal screws, nice light stuff anyway. So, it stays. It's never going to pop out on you because it is in the collar. It is in the bit. So, switch over to one side. Boom. Put that around. There we go. Nice, quick, easy changes. Malco's got a nice, strong magnet on there too. Great bit. That quick, right over to Phillips. That's in a Phillips screw. Quick changes, right over to T25. Locked in there nice. Boom. Back out with that. And then having it open like this also allows you to, you're not locked into it. Got my nice long T10 bit. It's a great system. Great. Can't say enough about it. Durable. You know, can't beat it. Can't beat it. Ready to go with any bit. You know who's going to love this? HVAC guys. Appliance repair guys. I've fixed many appliances. This Malco is going to be great for them. Always different size little machine screws. It's going to be killer. Great little setup. As always, they have plenty of extra bits, different sizes. You want to keep in stock so you don't have to change out too much. Very quick, easy change. And like I said, that little, I'll call it a Driverback hack I got with the split collar, the heavier bits. Put any bit you want in there. And these vessel bits fit perfect. Really works. Driverback, get on it.